Senate Bill 1345 by Senator Berryhill, an act relating to vehicles.
Senator Berryhill.
Thank you, Madam President, members. This bill, SB 1345, is a 3-year extension to a pilot project created in 2011. If extended, this project will create a well-thought-out off-highway vehicle roadmap that would include the signage and enforcement needed to establish a coherent network of trails for residents and visitors in Inyo County. Inyo County is one of those mountain counties up there that's still trying to get out of that recession. They really need this bill. The goals of the pilot project are to preserve the traffic safety, improve natural resource protection, reduce off-highway vehicle trespassing on private land, and minimize impacts on county residents. Members, in 2011, AB 628 by then Assemblywoman Connie Conway established a 5-year pilot project that allowed Inyo County to designate specific county streets and roads as combined use routes for off-highway vehicle use. Now, approval of these routes requires a collaboration between the CHP, the Department of Transportation, County Sheriff's Department, county supervisors, county road departments, the Bureau of Land Management, U.S. Forest Service, and the public. It was well vetted. We are seeking an extension to AB 628 quite simply because the thorough environmental review and public input segments of the process took a bulk of the 5-year time frame. They ran out of time. As a result, less than 6 months of data has been collected since the opening of these 3 combined use routes currently authorized under the program. Now I want to be clear here. Neither this bill nor the existing pilot program creates a single new trail or road. What it does do is create a better network of trails and, more importantly, a legal and regulated means to access existing maintained trails. No new infrastructure would be necessary, and I repeat that, no new infrastructure would be necessary. Inyo County relies extensively on tourism dollars and has a robust ATV, OHV community. Therefore, this is a very important bill for the local economy. This is a district bill, and I ask for your aye vote. Thank you.
Debate or discussion? Is there any debate or discussion on file item 23? Seeing and hearing none, Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Allen? No. Anderson? Aye. Bates? Aye. Bell? Aye. Berryhill? Aye. Block? Aye. Cannella? Aye. De Leon? Fuller? Aye. Gaines? Aye. Galgiani? Aye. Glazer? Aye. Hall? Aye. Hancock? No. Hernandez? Aye. Hertzberg? Aye. Hill? Aye. Weso? Huff? Aye. Jackson?
No.
No. Lara? Leno? No. Leyva? Liu? McGuire? Aye. Mendoza? Aye. Mitchell? Monning? Morlock? Aye. Morell? Aye. Wynn? Aye. Nielsen? Aye. Pan? Pavley? Roth? Aye. Runner? Stone? Aye. Vidak? Aye. Wykowski? Wolk?
Please call the absent members.
De Leon? Weso? Lara? Leyva? No. Liu? No. Mitchell? Bonning? Pan? Aye. Pavley? No. Runner? Wykowski? Wolk?
Ayes 25, no 7. The measure passes. We're going to go back momentarily. File item 17, Senator Hill had passed temporarily. Would like to bring the matter up now. Colleagues, file item 17. Mr. Secretary, please read.
Senate Bill 1017 by Senator Hill, an act relating to the Public Utilities Commission.
Senator Hill.
Thank you, Madam President. SB 1017 allows the Public Utilities Commission to more quickly comply with the Public Records Act. The bill permits the PUC to make regulations to determine the process to release utility filings. Currently, the PUC commissioners need to vote to release documents in compliance with the PRA. It is the only agency where statute requires this. The governor had asked for this because the vote requirement in current law bogs down the PUC resources. It slows down the release of information that sometimes can take as long as a year or more. Also, I think he wanted to give people like me less to complain about. So I request your aye vote, members. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Hill. Any debate or discussion? Senator Hoytsboig.
Hoytsboig rises in support. This is just one of these reality check bills. I can't tell you how many times, for all of us who've been involved in this, where every lawyer stamps confidential on everything under the sun. And then you got to go before the commission to deal with this stuff. I heard in one case that somebody even made a stamp of a confidential of the photo of their public website page. And you see this stuff all the time. And it's this dance of the lawyers and how it works. This measure is thoughtful in that it'll give some authority to the executive director to make decisions where it's clearly obvious, and where it's not obvious, what are they going to do? They're going to litigate. Support the measure. I think it's a good bill.
Thank you, Senator Hertzberg. Any further debate or discussion? Seeing and hearing none, Senator Hill, you may close.
Thank you, Madam President. I respectfully ask for aye vote, members. This is a simple, clear bill that will allow the Public Utilities Commission to operate in a very smooth and timely manner. Thank you.
All debate having ceased, Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Allen? Aye. Anderson? No. Bates? Bell? Aye. Berryhill? Block? Aye. Canella? De Leon? Fuller? Gaines? Galgiani? Glazer? Hall? Aye. Hancock? Aye. Hernandez? Aye. Hertzberg? Aye. Hill? Aye. Hueso? Aye. Huff? Jackson? Aye. Lara? Aye. Leno? Aye. Leva? Aye. Liu? McGuire? Aye. Mendoza? Mitchell? Aye. Monning? Aye. Morlock? Morell? Wynn? Nielsen? Pan? Pavley? Roth? Aye. Runner? Stone? Vidak? Wykowski? Aye. Wolk?
Please call the absent members.
Bates? Berryhill? Canella? De Leon? Fuller? Gaines? Galgiani? Glazer? No? Huff? Liu? Mendoza? Morlock? Morell? Wynn? Nielsen? Pan? Pavley? Runner? Stone? Vidak? Vidak, no. Wolk? Wolk, aye.
Senator Hill moves a call. Going back to file item 24, there are amendments pending. I'm sorry, 24, Senator Wolk. Are you prepared to take that matter up? Pass on file? Pass on file. File item 25, Senator Vidak. Mr. Secretary, please read.
Senate Bill 918 by Senator Vidak, an act relating to common interest developments.
Senator Vidak.
Madam President and members, SB 918 will require homeowner associations to annually solicit from their members the best mailing address to receive information from the association. By having this information, associations will be able to accurately communicate with their members. This bill received unanimous support in the Judiciary Committee. I ask for your aye vote.
Thank you, Senator Vidak. Debate or discussion? Seeing and hearing none, Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Allen? Aye. Anderson? I, Bates. I, Bell. I, Berryhill. I, Block. I, Canella. I, DeLeon. Fuller. I, Gaines. I, Galgiani. I, Glazer. I, Hall. I, Hancock. I, Hernandez. I, Hertzberg. I, Hill. I, Waso. I, Huff. I, Jackson.
Aye.
I, Lara. I, Leno. I, Leva. I, Lou. I, McGuire. I, Mendoza. I, Mitchell. I, Monning. I, Morlock. I, Morell. I, Wynn. I, Nielsen. I, Pan. I, Pavley. Roth. I, Runner. Stone. I, Vidak. I, Wykowski. I, Wolk.
Please call the absent members.
DeLeon. Pavley. Runner. Wolk.
Ayes 36, no 0. The measure passes. File item 26, Senator Hancock. Mr. Secretary, please read.
Senate Bill 1051 by Senator Hancock, an act relating to vehicles.
Senator Hancock.
Thank you, Madam President and members. SB 1051 will give the Alameda Contra Costa Transit District the authority to use forward-facing cameras to enforce parking violations in their East Bay service area. Excuse me. The bill extends existing law, which the legislature, in which the legislature granted the city and county of San Francisco the same authority, which, according to them, has worked very, very well. The bill also extends the authority to include enforcement at transit bus stops. Blocking access to bus stops is a growing problem in the Bay Area and raises significant safety issues for passengers boarding or exiting a bus if the bus cannot pull up to the curb. This is especially true for persons in wheelchairs and other persons with disabilities. Amendments taken in Senate Judiciary at a sunset of 2022 to the program and require a report evaluating the program's effectiveness to be submitted to the legislature. The bill has received bipartisan unanimous support, and I would ask for your aye vote.
Debate or discussion? Is there any debate or discussion on this item? Seeing and hearing none. Is there any objection to substituting the previous roll call? Seeing and hearing none, ayes 36, no 0. The measure passes. File item 27, Senator Allen, pass on file. File item 28, Senator Hernandez, pass on file. File item 29. All right, file item 29, colleagues, without objection, Senator Cannella will take up the matter on behalf of Senator Runner. Mr. Secretary, please read.
Senate Bill 1259 by Senator Runner, an act relating to vehicles.
Senator Cannella on behalf of Senator Runner.
Thank you, Madam President. SB 1259 provides that the vehicle of any veteran that displays a specialized veteran's license plate shall be exempt from paying a fee for using California toll bridges or roads. Veterans who qualify for these honorary plates have been wounded, disabled, held prisoner, or have demonstrated extraordinary valor in combat. This measure simply provides a small measure of recognition to California veterans who have served our country with particular sacrifice and distinction, and I respectfully ask for an aye vote.
Debate or discussion on this item? Is there any debate or discussion? Seeing and hearing none, Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Allen. Aye. Anderson. Aye. Bates. Aye. Bell. Aye. Berryhill. Aye. Block. Aye. Cannella. Aye. DeLeon. Fuller. Aye. Gaines. Aye. Galgiani. Aye. Glazer. Aye. Hall. Aye. Hancock. I. Hernandez. I. Hertzberg. I. Hill. I. Hueso. Huff. Hueso. I. Huff. I. Jackson. I. Lara. I. Leno. Leyva. I. Liu. I. McGuire. I. Mendoza. I. Mitchell. I. Bonning. I. Morlock. Morel. I. Wynn. Nielsen. Wynn. I. Nielsen. I. Pan. I. Pavley. Roth. I. Runner. Stone. I. Vidak. I. Wykowski. Wolk.
Please call the absent members.
De Leon. Leno. I. Morlock. I. Pavley. Runner. Wykowski. Wolk.
Ayes 35, no 0. The measure passes. File item 30, amendments are pending. File item 31, Senator Pavley not at her desk. File item 32, Senator Roth. Mr. Secretary, please read.
Senate Bill 897 by Senator Roth, an act related to workers' compensation.
Senator Roth.
Thank you, Madam President. Colleagues, Senate Bill 897 is a bipartisan measure that provides a narrow extension of workers' compensation benefits to police and firefighters who are catastrophically injured at the hands of another in the line of duty. Under current law, Labor Code Section 4850, police officers and firefighters are eligible for up to 1 year of leave without loss of salary or benefits when they are temporarily disabled due to injury. This bill would provide an additional year of benefits in those few cases where an officer has received injuries so severe that after 1 year of temporary disability, the officer still remains temporarily disabled, fighting to return to duty. Senate Bill 897 provides this extended coverage very narrowly for 3 specific injuries: severe burns, severe bodily injuries resulting from a building collapse, and severe bodily injuries resulting from a shooting or a stabbing. If you have not seen it, I urge you to watch Officer Andrew Takias' moving testimony on this bill when it was heard in the Senate Labor and Industrial Relations Committee to understand what these brave men and women in uniform go through when they are catastrophically injured. From the beginning, the Riverside Police Officers Association and I have committed to narrowly tailoring Senate Bill 897 to ensure that costs to local agencies are kept to a minimum in those few qualifying cases that do exist in this state, and we will continue to do so as this bill moves forward. Senate Bill 897 is supported by the Police Officer and Firefighter Associations, SEIU California, and the Peace Officer Research Association of California, and received no votes in committee. I respectfully ask for your aye vote.
Thank you, Senator Roth. Debate or discussion? Senator Stone.
Thank you, Madam President. I want to thank my colleague from Riverside County in bringing SB 897 forward. I believe we need to recognize the valiant efforts of our firefighters and our sheriffs and our policemen that put their lives on the line for us every single day. The last thing we want is for them to come back to work without being fully healed. I think they deserve this extension on these very narrow instances, and I strongly urge an aye vote for that reason.
Thank you, Senator Stone. Is there any further debate or discussion? Seeing and hearing none. Senator Roth, would you like to close?
Just respectfully ask for an aye vote, Madam President.
Very well. All debate having ceased, Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Allen. Aye. Anderson. Aye. Bates. Bell. Aye. Berryhill. Block. Aye. Cannella. Aye. De Leon. Fuller. Gaines. Galgiani. Aye. Glazer. Aye. Hall. Aye. Hancock. Aye. Hernandez. Aye. Hertzberg. Aye. Hill. Aye. Hueso. Aye. Huff. Aye. Jackson.
Aye.
Aye. Lara. Aye. Leno. Aye. Leyva. Aye. Liu. Aye. McGuire. Aye. Mendoza. Aye. Mitchell. Aye. Monning. Aye. Morlock. Morel. Wynn. Nielsen. I, Pan. I, Pavley. Roth. I, Runner. Stone. I, Vidak. I, Wykowski. I, Wolk.
Please call the absent members.
Bates. I, Berryhill. I, De Leon. Fuller. I, Gaines. Morlock. I, Morrell. Wynn. I, Pavley. Runner. Wolk.
Ayes 34, no 0. The measure passes. File item 33, Senator Nielsen. Pass on file. File item 34, Senator Cannella. Mr. Secretary, please read.
Senate Concurrent Resolution 140 by Senator Cannella, relative to foster care.
Senator Cannella.
Thank you, Madam President. I rise today to present Senate Concurrent Resolution 140, which recognizes the month of May as Foster Care Awareness Month. The foster care system was developed on the premise that a child is better off in a home than in an orphanage. In this state, the foster care system is a network of government agencies, community organizations, families, and individuals working together to provide children safe and supporting living situations. This year's National Foster Care Month's theme is honoring, uniting, and celebrating families. California has over 67,000 children in the foster care system, over half of which are reunited with their families. California has made significant steps in bettering the condition of children in the foster care system. Through continuum care reforms, the state is reducing the time kids spend in group homes to place children more quickly with foster families. The state is also integrating mental health certification as a component for licensure of both residential treatment centers and foster family agencies. Foster care children are part of the most vulnerable populations. We must continue to find ways to improve our foster care system. With that, I ask for an aye vote.
Thank you, Senator Cannella. Debate or discussion on this item? Debate or discussion? Seeing and hearing none is, Senator Mitchell.
Thank you, Madam President. I stand in support of Foster Care Awareness Month and just hope with the same bipartisan effort that we'll support this resolution today, we can also consider, more importantly from my perspective, critical investments to help children in foster care thrive and survive and be whole Californians into the future. So I stand in support of the resolution and stand in support of investments for foster care children.
Thank you, Senator Mitchell. Any further debate or discussion, Senator Gaines?
Yeah, thank you, Madam President. And members, just wanted to express my support and encouraging opportunities in terms of technology for foster children and the efforts of nonprofit organizations working in concert with technology companies throughout California to make sure that foster children are getting the right computer hardware, whether it's a laptop or an iPad, so that they can compete on an equal footing with other students in our educational system. So urgent aye vote. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Gaines. Any further debate or discussion? Seeing and hearing none. Senator Cannella, would you like to close?
Thank you, Madam President. I agree that we should invest in foster kids and look out for every way possible to support foster children. With that, I ask for an aye vote.
Thank you, Senator Cannella. Is there any objection to substituting the prior unanimous roll call? Seeing and hearing none, ayes 37, no 0. The resolution is adopted. File item 35, Senator Vidak. Mr. Secretary, please read.
Senate Bill 940 by Senator Vidak, an act relating to transportation and declaring the urgency thereof to take effect immediately.
Senator Vidak.
Madam President and members, current law allows the High-Speed Rail Authority to sell off land that it deems not necessary, but previous landowners are not notified that the land is going to be sold. SB 940 requires the authority to notify the previous landowner if the land is going to be sold and requires the authority to wait 30 days after sending notification before selling the property. The bill has unanimous support and has no known opposition. I ask for your aye vote.
Thank you, Senator Vidak. Any debate or discussion? Seeing and hearing none, is there any objection to substituting a unanimous roll call? Seeing and hearing none, ayes 37 on the urgency, ayes 37 on the measure. File item 36, Senator Monning. Mr. Secretary, please read. Oh, I'm sorry, Senator Gaines, for what purpose, sir?
Under privileges of the floor,
Let's go for it very quickly.
just a quick introduction. I'd like to introduce former Assemblywoman Allison Lewis, who is a Sacramento Superior Court judge and visiting right here on the floor.
Welcome to our distinguished guest. Thank you for joining us. Very well. Senator Monning on file item 36. Mr. Secretary, please read.
Senate Bill 945 by Senator Monning, an act relating to pet boarding facilities.